fine motor milestones. So this is the topic we are discussing today. So as usual, starting with some questions. Question 1. At 6 months, what are the milestones achieved? What are the fine motor milestones achieved? Question 2. In case of the mature pincer grasp. Mature pincer grasp. Okay. So the question is, when is this achieved? Third is, at 2 years of age. 2 years age, what is the milestone? So in this video, we'll ensure that you know all these answers by the end of the video. And at the end of the video, there are some bonus questions as well. To get started, at 4 months, the child is able to reach for objects, And this is with help of both hands. And this is known as the bidextrous. The bidextrous reach. Next, we look at the 6 months. So in case of 6 months, they are able to reach out objects. The child is able to reach for objects. So the reach with objects is by one hand. That is unidextrous reach. And transfers objects. Then we move on to 9 months of age. So in case of 9 months of age, there is the immature pincer grasp. This is seen at 9 months of age. Then looking at 12 months. So in case of 12 months of age, there is presence of the mature pincer grasp. So after 12 months, we have to look at the 15 months. So in case of 15 months, what is the fine motor skill? Milestone is that at 15 months, the child imitates scribbling. So the child imitates scribbling as well as the tower of two blocks is made. So we saw 9 months, 12 months, 15 months. Now we move on to the 18 months. So in terms of 18 months, what we see is the child is able to scribble. So the child scribbles and also builds tower of 3 blocks and builds tower of 3 blocks. And looking at 2 years, they are able to build a tower of 6. Now looking at 3 years. So at 3 years, they are able to build a tower of 9. So tower of 9, and also able to copy a circle. That is, copies a circle. Then moving on to 4 years of age. At 4 years of age, they are able to build a bridge. So the bridge can be built, and bridge can be built with blocks, as well as able to copy a cross. Now we move on to 5 years of age. So at 5 years of age, how different is what is the fine motor milestone? It is able to copy a triangle and able to build. The child is able to build a gate with blocks. So now we jump on to the question and answers we asked initially. So just to answer our questions, the first question we asked was fine motor milestone of 6 months. So at 6 months, what do we see? At 6 months, the child reaches for the object, and this is with one hand. This is with one hand, and one hand means it is nothing but the unidextrous reach. Then what happens is it is able to transfer. It is able to transfer the objects, and what it does is it transfers the objects. The next question we asked was the mature pincer grasp. So when does the mature pincer grasp occur? So here the answer is nothing but the mature pincer grasp. It occurs at 12 months of age. The next question is at 2 years of age, what is the milestone? So at 2 years of age, the child, it builds a tower of 6 blocks. 2 years, they build a tower of 6 blocks. Now to ask some bonus questions. So these bonus questions can be answered in the comments. So the first question is, at 4 months of age, what is the fine motor milestone achieved? Second question is, at 15 months, what is the fine motor milestone achieved? Then the third question is, when is cross formation? When is the child able to draw a cross? So these answers can be written in the comments.